Some people say that learning to program a computer can teach you how to think. Some of the benefits of coding are the development of structured and creative thinking. It can also make your life a lot easier at your job. And by learning to code, you're also learning something really important, which is persistence. I would say that learning to program a computer is the closest thing to getting superpowers. So, if you're a future computer science student, a professional seeking a career change, or just a very curious person, this course is the right course for you, as it will be teaching you to program computers from scratch using the very popular Python language while learning to solve complex problems in a simulated world. I am Dr. Argueta. I have a PhD in computer science, and I have been coding for over 19 years. And let me tell you that this experience has completely changed my life. Let it change yours too. By the end of this course, you will understand fundamental programming concepts and you will have learned Python. From there, you should be able to follow any path that you wish, like learning about databases, creating web apps, or even artificial intelligence. You will only be limited by your imagination. So, what are you waiting for?